The 10.25-inch display can connect to a Wi-Fi network and allow quick and seamless software updates. These updates will let you access all the latest features available. First, connect your display to a Wi-Fi network. On the vehicle display, go to Preferences, then Wi-Fi, and then Add New Network. Select your preferred network and enter the password. If no Wi-Fi network is available near the vehicle, you can share your smartphone's cellular network by hotspot. Once you're connected to Wi-Fi, go to Preferences, then General, then Software Update. Select the available update, then press Download Update to begin the process. Once the download is complete, press Install Update. Do not turn off the vehicle during the download. When the download is done, your vehicle display will reboot and you'll have the latest software.